Freecamp is a solid productivity and time management tool, but before you commit to buying, there are 12 things you need to know that could make or break your decision. In this video, we'll break down what makes Freecamp stand out from competitors like Trello and Asana and help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Next thing to consider is the project management interface. Unlike Trello, which uses a simple Kanban board, Freecamp gives you multiple views, including Gantt charts and task lists. This can make it easier to manage complex projects, especially if you're more visually inclined. However, if you're someone who loves simplicity, this might feel a bit cluttered. The third thing is collaboration features. Freecamp shines here by offering unlimited users on the free plan, which is a huge advantage over Asana, which limits users unless you're on a paid plan. You can invite anyone to join your workspace without worrying about costs. However, managing large teams may feel a bit chaotic without the refined permissions and roles you get with tools like Monday.com. Next thing, task management. While Freecamp offers the basics, tasks, subtasks, due dates, and priorities, it's not as feature-packed as something like ClickUp, which offers more advanced options like task dependencies and automation. If you're looking for deep functionality, Freecamp might feel a bit too basic. The fifth thing to note is integrations. Freecamp integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, but it's still lagging behind competitors like Asana or Trello, which have much broader integration options. If you're running a business with niche software, you might hit a wall with Freecamp's limited choices. Next thing is pricing. Freecamp offers a free plan that's actually functional, unlike some of its competitors where free versions are just teasers. The free plan gives you access to unlimited tasks and projects, but if you want additional features like time tracking, you'll need to upgrade. Even then, the paid plans are relatively affordable compared to tools like Monday.com, which can get pricey. The seventh thing is mobile app experience. Freecamp's mobile app is functional, but not as smooth or feature-rich as competitors like ClickUp. For on-the-go project management, you might find yourself reaching for something with a more polished app experience. The eighth thing is storage. The free plan only gives you 100 megabytes of storage, which might be enough for basic projects, but if you plan to share files regularly, this will fill up fast. Upgrading to the paid plan is the only way to get more storage, which makes Freecamp less appealing compared to tools like Asana, where you get more out of the box. Next thing is task dependencies. While Freecamp has basic task relationships, like setting a task to depend on another, it's not as robust as features found in Monday.com or ClickUp. If you need advanced project dependencies, you might have to look elsewhere. The 10th thing is reporting. Freecamp has simple reporting, but if you're managing multiple teams or projects, you'll quickly notice that its analytics are fairly basic. Tools like Rike offer more in-depth reporting and dashboards to help you keep track of your team's performance. Next thing to consider is customization. Freecamp lets you customize your workspace with some flexibility, but for those who want granular customization, like in ClickUp, you'll find Freecamp somewhat limited in this area. The 12th thing is customer support. Freecamp offers standard email support, but for something more responsive, tools like Asana or Monday.com have better customer service, including live chat for quicker resolutions. If support is crucial for you, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, Freecamp offers a solid, affordable option for project management and time tracking, especially for small teams or freelancers. While it may lack some advanced features that top-tier competitors offer, it's definitely worth considering for its ease of use and value for money. If you're looking for something more feature-rich, though, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.